Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to do the snow totals for the snowstorm in September. So this one's just for Wyoming and Colorado. And it's so how this is working is on the snow totals. So if you're in this blue area, you're going to see 2 to 4 inches. Yeah. And then, so these places will see 2 to 4 inches, not the most, and the storm will go a little west, so that's why you're not seeing as much snow. And then places just an inch or less, just a dusting, are going to be here. So these are the places that are going to see an inch or less, so you'll just get a dusting. And then the places with 3 to 6 inches, these places with 3 to 6 will be right through here. So these places will receive around 3 to 6 inches. And then places that will receive 5 to 10 inches will be here. And here. So these places will receive around 5 to 10 inches. So you'll just receive 5 to 10, maybe more or maybe less. And then here are the places that will receive a foot or more. So these places are going to receive a foot or more. There. And here. So if you're in this whitish, like Lamar, very western Kansas, very western South Dakota, very northern Nebraska, you will see an inch or less. If you're in eastern Colorado, La Junta, Fort Morgan, Sterling, Lyman, those areas, you'll receive 2 to 4. And if you're in Buffalo, Newcastle, you'll see 2 to 4 too. If you're in the Greeley, Fort Collins, Colorado Springs, Pueblo, Lamar, Cheyenne, Fort Collins, Greeley, Pueblo, Colorado Springs. So if you're in that area, basically away from the Denver metro area, just a little east of the Denver metro, you'll see around 3 to 6 inches. If you're in the Denver, Longmont, Boulder, or if you're in Casper, Douglas, Cheyenne, you will see 5 to 10 inches. And then if you're in this white mountains in Wyoming and the Rocky Mountains and Colorado, or A Basin, Silverthorne, those areas, you will see around a foot or more. So so you will see a foot or more in the mountains for Wyoming and Colorado. And Wyoming and Colorado are all going to be the ones with the most snow. And then just today, September 6th, we had a winter storm warning for these areas here. So these areas here have a winter storm watch. Oops. These places here will have a winter storm watch for it was 3 to 8 inches right now. I bet soon it'll turn into a winter storm warning, and then down in the South Colorado, you have a winter storm advisory. And yeah, so those places, the red, Fort Collins, Cheyenne, Laramie, Greeley, Longmont, Denver, Boulder, you guys have a winter storm watch, a winter storm warning for Colorado Springs, Aurora, and then these places have another winter storm watch here for 6 to 12 inches, just because it's the mountains, and then there's another right through here. So 3 to 8, 2 to 4, 6 to 12. That's about it in this video. So Wyoming and Colorado are getting a pretty big snowstorm. So that's about it. Bye. Peace out. Give me a like if you like and subscribe. Bye.